If you think paying your credit card before the due date is enough, you might be hurting your credit score without realizing it. Most people confuse closing date and due date, and that mistake can cost you points. Let's clear this up. First, what is the due date? The due date is the last day you must make at least the minimum payment. If you pay on or before the due date, you avoid late fees and negative payment history. Simple. Now here's the part most people miss. The closing date is completely different. The closing date is when your billing cycle ends. On this day, your credit card company reports your balance to the credit bureaus. That reported balance affects your credit utilization. And utilization makes up 30% of your credit score. Here's the problem. Let's say your limit is $1,000 and you spend $800. If your balance is still $800 on the closing date, that high amount gets reported. Even if you pay it off the next day before the due date, your score can still drop because the reported utilization was high. So what's the smart move? Pay your credit card before the closing date, not just before the due date. This keeps your reported balance low. Lower utilization means better score impact. Here's an example. Credit limit, $2,000 you spend. $600 if you pay $500 before the closing date, only $100 gets reported. That's just 5% utilization. Very powerful difference. Now let's simplify it. Due date protects your payment history. Closing date controls your utilization. Both matter. But if you want faster credit growth, you must manage your closing date. Quick recap. Due date equals avoid late payments. Closing date equals control reported balance. Pay early for better results. Understand this one concept, and you gain more control over your credit score than most people ever do. If you want simple strategies to build strong credit in the US, subscribe to Cash Logic. Smart Credit